Benny the Squirrel here, and we're going to learn a song today from Suzuki Book 2. It's called Melody. It's by that crazy composer Robert Schumann. Yeah, he wrote that other one, Happy Farmer. Oh, we love that song so much. But Melody is very beautiful. Let's learn the right hand first. Okay, come on, come on, come on, come on. Okay. Put your 5 on an E. Now, you got to remember, look down there. See that first note? See, it's on a space. And in the treble clef, the spaces spell a word, F-A-C-E. So E up here. All right. Here we go. Repeat sign, gotta do it again. Now watch out here in the 3rd and 4th measure. When your thumb's on C, cross over with 4, and then use 2 and 3 to find F sharp and A. And then your thumb goes down right in between there, right underneath there. Okay, onwards we go. Rest. Another rest. Now, my teacher told me on measure 8, when you go like this, she told me to do it 500 times, but I said no way. So I only did it 10 times every day, and that seemed to be okay. So here's how you do it. 1, 4, 3, 5. Watch out for that 1, 4. It's just this far. Okay, just that far. And then with 1 and 4, you play A and F. And then you switch really fast. And then start moving these bottom notes. A goes up to C. You got to hold on to that top one. And then B. And then right here at the last note, just the 3rd finger. Let's go over that again because it is complicated. Complicated. Switch real fast. Right. And it's 1 more time, and then do it 10 times when you practice. Onwards we go. 5 and 2, come down here. Then 4. Another switch there, did you see? 5, 4, go 1 and 3. Now it's not A and F this time, it's B and F. And then switch quickly, and then 4 and 2 will be right there for you. And then I like to write the fingering in here. 3, 5, 1, 3, 2. 3, 5, 1, 3, 2. And the next 2 lines are just a repeat of line 2 and 3, so let's not worry about those. Let's just go to the left hand. Go to the left hand. Go to the left hand. All right, come on. Come on. There you go. Okay. Left hand is also in the treble clef, so that first note is middle C. I know, what's middle C doing way down there? But, just imagine that it was in the line up above there. And, then middle C would be in the middle, where it's supposed to be. But here it is, middle C. Okay, that's the first 2 measures, and it wouldn't be a bad idea to write in every single finger number, or if you can read music well enough, just read the notes and then maybe try to memorize them or something. I don't know. next part. Repeat sign. Now notice there in measure 4, you have D, G, and then C and D. You're going to use 5 and then 1. That's about as tight of a finger pinch as you can get. So again, 5, 1, and 3, 1, 5. There's some other fingering up there too. You can use that if you like, but I did the regular way. Next line. F natural. Remember, we're still in the treble clef, so no, all cows eat grass is not going to work down here. You got to use F-A-C-E, treble clef. Here we go, F. Okay, measure 8, let's do that one again. Start on B, and then 5, 4, 3. There's another fingering, you could use that if you like. 5, 4, 3, and then up to G, and make sure you slow down for those last 2 eighth notes. All right, don't do it like this. Right, because last 2 are eighth notes, slower. Next line, and here we go. It's almost like the first line, but there's one note that's different. See, ends there on that C. You see, that's a C down there. The first line had a D in that place, but C is in this line, so be careful with it right there. Write a 5 under that note so you don't miss it. And then reach up with your third finger. All right, remember these are space notes in the treble clef. So F, spell face, F-A-C. So you got F and C. F-C, E-C. And here's third finger. Now be careful, because your thumb is on G. You got to put your third finger on F. And I would write in these fingers 3, 1, 2, 3. It'll help you when you put hands together. All right, let's do those 2 measures again. Measure what? 11 and 12. Here we go. You know, it's the last 2 measures on the third line. Here we go. And on the very last line, it just ends on C. But on this line, it has the E there too. And the next 2 lines are just a copy of the previous 2 lines. Previous. You know that word, previous. Okay, I'm going to take a little rest and let this guy play hands together. All right. Now some of the harder places would be measure 8 and measure 11 and 12. So here's measure 8 really slowly, and then measure 11 and 12 really slowly, and I'm going to rest. Here's measure 11 and 12. Thanks everybody. I'm glad you watched my video, and give me a thumbs up if this video helped you learn this song, and please subscribe because I do lots of videos like this. And if your mom or dad wants to send me money, just look down there at the link. I got a PayPal link. So thanks very much. I need to buy nuts for the winter. I'm going to hibernate, going to sleep all winter, and I'm getting sleepy right now. So goodbye everybody. Goodbye. See you soon.